give up right before they make it. It's an old saying, but it's still true to this day. Because we live in such a weak-willed society now where people just give up. Everybody has hopes and everybody has dreams, but nobody ever fully follows through with it. Only 5%. Most people, right when they make it, right when they get to the point of what they call their success, they quit. They just stop. You know, I remember like when I was flipping burgers at McDonald's, that point in your life is called the see nothing days. Those see nothing days where you don't know what you want to do with your life. You don't know which direction you want to go. But I kept working. I just kept making beats every day. And I stayed focused. But people around me were telling me to go to the army or just try to get like some type of document or go to this school or go to this school just so I could have some type of credentials on paper. But I knew it wouldn't be fulfilling. So I just kept working, kept making beats at night, because the way I looked at it is, and I still live by this to this day, is when you work for somebody and you have a 9-to-5, it's not about, I judge somebody based off what they do when they get off the clock. So if you got to work for 8 hours, you should be putting at least another 4 hours at night into your dream. So that's what I was doing. But yeah, I was discouraged. I've never been depressed, but it was my see nothing days. But right when you want to give up, you just, all of a sudden, things just happen. I don't know, universe, God, cosmos, whatever. But I learned from that by making it as a producer that, and then other businesses I actually succeeded in that a lot of people don't know about. But you have to go through the struggle. You have to go through the fire, and you'll make it. But most people can't stand the fire. Most people can't stand the struggle. And to deal with that struggle, to deal with that pain, there's inventions out for that. Like Netflix, like Hulu, like Pokemon Go. These things feel good to people who are chasing their dreams because it's an escape. They use it as escapism. These things are built to take you off focus. The television, telling lies to your vision. I have 3 TVs and I barely use them. You know, I have them mainly for guests, but I'm always constantly staying focused. It's your job to go against the world, but it's the world's job to go against you. It's your job to push against the world, and it's the world's job to push against you. So push towards your dream, but understand the world is going to push towards you, because the way the world, the universe, and God works is you get tests before you get blessed. And sometimes the test comes in the form of clubs, drugs, TV, entertainment. Are you able to say no? Are you willing to say no and stay focused? Those are part of the test that you'll have. And the people that make it, that 5% that makes it, is because they learn how to say no and they stay focused and they didn't get discouraged to the point of giving up. Because like I said at the beginning of this video, you learn that right before you don't even know. You're digging for that gold. And right before you get to the goal, you give up and walk away. So I just want to do this quick video just to tell you, join the 5% club, the club that keeps going, the club that keeps pushing, the club that invites struggle in their life. I invite struggle, I invite chaos, because these things is gonna make me tougher and they make me great. There's blessings that's pending for you, but you may be too weak to receive them. There's blessings that are waiting on you, but you're not in the right state of mind in order to receive them. So you have to work on building yourself every day. You know, that's why I started doing these videos. I'm like, I'm equipped with too much knowledge just to keep all this to myself. And the producers that are on YouTube, they're not telling you the information that you really need. They're not giving you step-by-step tactical things that you can apply right now where you can start seeing results. So I just wanted to start doing these YouTube videos and just sharing a bit about my journey and my life. And hopefully, even if it could just help one person out, that's good enough for me. But like I said, stay focused and just stay working. Trials and tribulations and obstacles are going to occur, but keep going and keep pushing, and one day you will make it.